Hi, this is Kurt Howell from NTP Technologies, makers of Penta and DAD products. Today we'll be discussing education, EDU. From technical trade schools to performance high schools, music academies, higher education colleges and universities, Dante and education is everywhere. So let's look at a typical EDU network. In educational facilities, whether localized or broadcasting applications, a central backbone is needed when a variety of analog and digital signals are interconnected. Often there is need for flexibility in terms of audio interfaces, formats, clock sources, as well as interconnection, signal flows, and networks. A Dante network is that solution. So let's look at a basic system. At universities, you often have multiple recording facilities with control rooms and overdub facilities, venues where performances are being performed, stage racks at all of these different locations, and you might have orchestral needs and choir needs in different buildings and different classrooms, all connected to your network at your facility. Where advanced control is needed, third-party domain software is available, but at considerable costs. Using NTP Penta 720 or the new 721S DNT series, you get access to all of your Dante devices on your network or networks with added domain and submask control built in. A backbone to your Dante Audio over IP network. So let's look at a basic system and how it becomes complex so quickly. Soon you're going to be adding conference room with Crestron drivers needed, TriCasters with DVS connectivity to any of your remote cameras, additional classrooms, additional concert halls, additional mixers, additional musicians with amp racks located in all of these facilities. You're going to have networks that need to be broadcast. You're going to have editing facilities, additional studios, more domains, more domains, more domains, and more domains. And before you know it, you've got a mess. What is the solution to this? The NTP Penta 720. The backbone to your audio over IP Dante Penta Universe. In this configuration, we're looking at independent or combined domains, 8 or 9 of them, depending on how you configure this scenario. We have 1,088 channels of Dante routable, sample rate conversion on any of these cards, and as you see, there are 3 networks in this example. Each of them have different clock sources, so that gives you total control as the backbone to your network. So let's look at a typical EDU workflow. You have lots of live concerts, different venues at different sample rates, studio facilities that are operating at different sample rates all the time, sports facilities across campus via fiber, because over 6 miles or under 6 miles you need to use fiber connectivity, all connected to a 720 with Dante 128 cards, 8 of them in this example. Then we route the Dante to our broadcast interface so that we can teach post-editing and other video techniques, and lots of classrooms connected via Cat6 or fiber. So let's look at the back end of this 720. Here we have 9 possible domains. Using the Dante 128 AES67 card, we have 1,088 channels, the Brooklyn 2 card in the RJ45 port, and then we've connected 8 128 cards with lots of sample rate conversion and connectivity possibilities. Built into this unit are 80 channels of AES EBU, 192 MADI options, that's 3 different streams with SFP options and BNC, etc., with word clock in and a lot of connectivity that you might not be thinking about for your future needs. We have a 1500 by 1500 router and obviously Crestron connectivity. The 720 Dante multi-format interface and router. So how do we take care of long distance clocking when we exceed the 6 mile limitation of fiber? You can use GPS time clock, connecting antennas to the satellite. You can run dark fiber if you need to lease it from an internet provider for fiber connectivity, or if it's under 6 miles, you can just run fiber on your own campus. This gives you long distance access for clocking and audio between buildings and facilities. Penta Universe, the backbone to your Dante network. Penta 720 or the 721S is the perfect interface for multi-format conversion and routing. Affordable, reliable, flexible, and expandable. A 3-year warranty upon registration, Crestron connectivity, DVS connectivity for your remote cameras, Avid Matrix Studio through Yukon 3 protocol, and all of our interfaces, Penta and DAD, plus the Avid Matrix and Matrix Studio, use the DatMan software, so one piece of software controls all of your network. DDM compatibility, and that's the Penta Universe. Thank you very much. This is Kurt Howell. I appreciate your time, and check out our websites for additional information. Signing off.